Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Gear. This is where tech meet hustle. Have you been looking for a way to make extra income while at home, during your vacation or during holidays? This is the right place for you because I'm going to share with you a little secret I've been using to make extra income while at home, during vacation or during my holidays. Now you have nothing to worry about the platform because I don't share any platform that is not legitimate or real on my channel, because every platform that I share or I do video about it, I first of all test it before I share it to my audience. Now before we continue, if you are new on the platform, don't forget to subscribe, like our video and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section so that we'll get to know your experience with the platform as well. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Walk you through how you can use the application, how it works, ways of what getting money, performing taxes and all that. So you can see here we have where users is an application where users can what earn money by what completing various tasks, like what taking photos, sharing opinions, and reporting what on local conditions. So it's very easy to use. You don't need experience to be able to use this application or this platform to make your extra income when you are on vacation or you are on your free time. So that is it. You can see we have what these taxes are often what related to what gathering information about a user's what community and are used to help business, government, and what humanitarian what organization gain insight. It has a feature called tax marketplace. So you can see tax marketplace is a place where users can find and complete taxes. So it's a marketplace where you can find and complete taxes. We have earning potential. Users can earn money for each task they what complete with what the amount varying depending on what the tax and its what complexity. So it depends on how complex the tax is and how long the tax you are going to take. That would determine how much you earn from each tax you perform. You can also earn money by what location based tax. So that is it. Many what tasks are location based, requiring users to visit specific places, take photos, and what answer questions about those places that they visit. We also have what we call data collection. It's another option where you can use to make money. The information collected by users through what this application is used to what is used by various organizations to gain insight about community and improve local conditions. We have so many options where you can be able to what make money using this platform. Now I'm going to enter into the application and open all these features for you to see how it works. Now we can see that we are inside the application or the platform. We have tax marketplace. So this is a place where you can perform so many videos what taxes and get paid. You have locate, we have explore, we have survey. So these are the three basic options where you can use to make income on this platform. Now we have what we call wallet. So this is a place where you can see your earnings, you can see activities. That's once a tax is submitted, you can review and check the status of your tax, whether you have been paid, whether your payment is pending, whatever be the issue, you can be able to what track that using what the activities option. And you can also see what we call cash out options. We have two basic cash out options on this platform, which is the mobile money option and what the Bitcoin option. So you can see we have mobile money top up. That is, if you are in Ghana, you can see the minimum withdrawal is what 30 cedis. If you're in any other African country, you can select your country code or your country currency and also receive money in that currency as well. So that is it. When we come to the Bitcoin, which is the second option to cash out your money when you make it on this platform, is what we call the Bitcoin option. So that is it. In short, we have BTC. So that is it. The minimum cash out is 65 cedis. So you can get your money into your wallet when you get to this threshold. So that is it. Now let's go to account here. So you can see your account details, your profile, you can see rewards, you can see support options, you can also see invite friends to join premise. So these are also what informations on this account option here. So here you can also get rewarded by what inviting your friends to join this platform. When you click on the invite friends to join, you get an invite link where you'll be able to share on your WhatsApp platform, your Facebook account, or any platform you want to share for people to be able to join this platform, and you get rewarded. So that is it. It's an extra bonus, you can make money from it. So let's go back to the tax. You can see we have recommended. So this is an unpaid tax. This one they are not going to pay you because they are going to teach you how to be able to use the platform effectively without wasting much of your time doing unnecessary things that are not gonna get you what any money at all. So you click on what unpaid tax. It's a guide that's going to guide you through how you can be able to what safely and effectively use the platform to make income on your own free time. So let's click on this and it's going to walk us through how you can be able to do it effectively. So you can see information tax. So this one is photo best practice guide. So they are going to guide you how to take the best photo when you are given a photo task to perform. So photo task is when you are given an option where you are supposed to snap a certain location and submit it on this platform. Because at the beginning we went through how to perform or some of the options that are available on this platform, and one of them was to share your opinions on certain areas or locations within your vicinity or your community, because it's going to help government and business people what effectively use this information to improve on their business and all that. So that is it. So they need your opinion, and when you share your opinion, sometimes you need to add photos and all that. So this one is to guide you to take the best photo to avoid getting your photo being rejected. So you click on continue and they're going to walk you through all these guides. Now we have welcome to premises photo best what practice guide. So this unpaid guide will explain how to take good photos for locate and explore taxes. So these are the two tasks that you can perform by taking photos. So we have locate and what explore taxes. So taking good photos means your submissions are more likely to get approved. So it means you can either reject it or be approved. So this is the best photo you can take. Make sure your photos are of what the correct object or facility by carefully what reading the tax instructions, tax hints, and looking at the examples images. That is it. So these are the three images, the way they want you to take the photo. If it's a screenshot, this is how you're gonna do it. So this is the best photo that they want. You can add the information all you need to add on this task. So let's click continue to get more insight on that. So we have taken photos of what the incorrect object or facility means your task will be what rejected. So that is it. Click on continue. What are you going to avoid? Submitting what photos out of order. That is when the photo does not match the instructions for that photo, means your task will be what rejected. So that is it. We have try not to include unrelated objects, people, or yourself in the photos, as this will what make the rejection of your task more likely. So don't include unnecessary things in your photo. So that is it. Good photos are clear to make out and are taken in bright lighting condition. So you can see an example of what a good photo. You want to preview, you can click on preview and get it more clearly. We have what bad photos here as well. So bad photos are blurry and dark, meaning that premises cannot what verify the object or facility you are submitting. So this is not clear picture at all. We have good photos are taken at straight angle directly in front of the required object or facility. So you click on continue to get more guides on all this. So that is it. You can continue when you sign up on this platform, get more guide before you start performing some of these tasks, so that you get the best results and also make some cool cash at your own leisure time. So this is just about it. This is all for today. I thank you for coming across this platform. If you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like our video, share to all those who are interested in this kind of videos. Let your friends and family also benefit from the video. Don't forget to share your comment in the comment section. And also, if you are also a new person here, make sure to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. With this said, I thank you once again for coming across this platform, and I'm hoping to see you in our next video. If you want the link to this application, also comment in the comment section so that I can share you the link straight to this application. Thank you once again. See you next time.